Hey there, newcomers to Dubai. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to living large on a budget in this incredible city? It's time to discover how to explore Dubai without breaking the bank. The Dubai Dream, a balancing act. Moving to Dubai is an exhilarating experience, but let's be real, it can also be a financial challenge. However, with some savvy tips, you can navigate this city like a pro and live the dream without sacrificing your savings. Here's your ultimate guide, broken down into 15 practical steps, to help you curb expenses and still have a blast. 1. Automate your savings, a smart move. Think of your income as an investment, and saving becomes effortless. Financial advisor Srikanth Pillai suggests automating a portion of your salary, say 20%, directly into savings. It's like paying your future self first, and it removes the mental struggle, making wealth building a natural part of your routine. 2. Track before you splurge, know your essentials. New to Dubai? Take it slow. Pillai recommends tracking your fixed costs for the first 3 months. Most overspending happens in small, unnoticed ways. By monitoring your bills, rent, and groceries, you'll gain a clear understanding of your essential expenses versus discretionary spending. 3. Think local currency. Avoid the trap. Converting prices to your home currency can be a rookie mistake. Pillai warns that it can distort your perception of value. Live and budget in dirhams, and you'll avoid the mental trap of overvaluing or undervaluing your expenses. 4. Round up for fun savings. The latte effect. Saving can be fun and effortless. Pillai suggests rounding up card transactions and stashing the difference. For example, if you buy a latte for 18.50 dirhams, round it up to 19, and save the difference. Over time, these small amounts add up, and you won't even notice the impact on your wallet. 5. Kill unnecessary subscriptions. Digital detox. Digital subscriptions can quietly drain your finances. Review your subscriptions monthly and cancel those you don't use. Don't let digital clutter become a financial burden. 6. Practice not now, the 72-hour rule. Financial discipline doesn't mean saying no to everything. Pillai suggests waiting 72 hours before making non-essential purchases. Most impulses fade, and you'll often realize you don't need that item after all. This simple delay can prevent small regrets from becoming big budget busters. 7. Budgeting made easy. Focus on habits. Use budgeting apps and focus on tracking routines rather than strict rules. Make saving a default setting, and you'll save more effortlessly. By monitoring recurring expenses, budgeting becomes empowering rather than restrictive. 8. Dine like a local. Authentic flavors. Dubai's food scene is incredible, but delivery apps and downtown hotspots can be pricey. Explore where residents eat and discover authentic Emirati, Indian, or Levantine cuisine at affordable prices. You'll save money and experience the real heartbeat of Dubai. 9. Skip tourist traps. Discover the real Dubai. Dubai for tourists can be expensive, but for residents, it's affordable and authentic. Ask locals for recommendations, wander off the beaten path, and explore markets and community hubs. You'll find hidden gems with fair prices, high quality, and unforgettable experiences. 10. Invest in experiences. Create lasting memories. Shift your mindset towards investing in experiences that enrich your life. Dubai offers desert safaris, art galleries, and more. Choose wisely, as experiences create lasting memories, while impulse buys often leave little more than a receipt. 11. Loyalty apps. Your golden ticket. Download retail apps like Centrepoint, Sephora, and Carrefour. These apps offer points, cashback, discounts, and birthday surprises, making your shopping more strategic and rewarding. 12. Plan your week. Food deals galore. From Sushi Mondays to Taco Tuesdays, there's a food deal for every day. Plan your social life around these deals, and your budget will thank you. 13. Discount apps. your secret weapon. Install apps like The Entertainer, Smiles, Zomato Pro, and Privily for access to 2-for-1 dinners, spa discounts, and beach days without resort prices. 14. Choose the right credit card. Movie Magic. Grab a credit card that offers buy one get one free movie tickets. You'll instantly become the most popular movie buddy, and you'll save on every movie night. 15. Affordable Fuel. Live the dream drive. With reasonable petrol prices, now is the time to live out your dream drive. Channel your inner movie villain and own the road in style. And there you have it. With these tips, you're well on your way to living the Dubai dream on a budget. Remember, it's all about balance and making smart choices. Now, go explore and create your own Dubai story. What are your favorite budget-friendly tips for exploring Dubai? Share your experiences and let's spark a conversation.